This is the Storyteller Show. And today you're going to listen to the story of Swimmy, the fish, which was very, very happy. And it went na 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 na, and so happy. And it was swimming up and down and up and down and jumping and jumping and jumping. And then it looked up and it saw Igloo, who was flying high. And Igloo was also very happy. Na 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 na, I love to fly. And Swimmy looked up at Igloo. The eagle saw the fish and said, "Oh, I wish I could swim like Swimmy." And Swimmy said, "I wish I could fly like the eagle." Both of them said, "Let's switch roles." And the fish jumped out because he thought he could fly. And Igloo went inside the water. Blook, 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 and wanted to swim. But he started drowning. Block, 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 block. And the fish, Swimmy, was gasping for breath. And just then, a boy and a girl were coming along. The boy came and said, "This is not the place that the fish should be." Picked up the fish and put it gently into the water. The girl came and rescued the eagle, and block, block, block. Now the eagle was feeling wonderful, and the fish again began to swim. They looked at each other and they said, The fish said, "I'm fine in the water." And Igloo said, "Oh, I'm fine also flying." "I think we are fine where we are, isn't it?" "Yes, yes, yes," said Igloo. And Igloo flew away as Swimmy continued to swim in the deep blue waters.